Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your host, Victor. Today's meal only cost us $40 to make, and it's a fan favorite, lasagna. Before we get into all that, why don't you go ahead and take a minute, like, subscribe, support the channel, and your favorite host, this guy right here, and we'll get right back into it.
You're ready.
Everyone, no, I'm just kidding. Don't open it.
Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more.
Today's first step, I've already got our noodles boiling here for about 12 minutes. And while that's doing that, we're going to add some olive oil to a pan and get it up to temp, about medium high. When your oil gets up to temp here, all we're doing is adding our meats, our pork, and our beef. Then we're going to cook that till it gets browned. Just mixing the meats.
They're mingling.
Yeah, you got to commingle the meats. Then what you want to do once your meat is browned, just transfer it to a different container for a minute. Now, using the same juices and oils in your pan, we're just going to add some add some onions rather, and just get them all crispy and fried up. Translucent. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna add your minced garlic here. And then we're gonna cook those for about 2 minutes until you start to smell garlic. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna re-add our meat back in. We're gonna come behind that with our crushed red pepper flakes. Then we're going to add some salt and pepper for flavor. Just mix it up. Then what you're going to do after you've added your meat and spices into this pot, you're going to come behind it with 3 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes. Go ahead and give it a nice mix. Comes to a low simmer. We're just going to take 1.5 pounds of ricotta cheese, or 2 pounds, I guess. It has decided. Plus, I like cheese anyway, so that's not the end of the world. We're going to come behind with some basil, some parsley, salt, pepper, and we're just going to give that a good mix. After you've taste tested to make sure everything is to your liking, go ahead and just crack an egg in there and give it a little stir. Take to 375. Let that do its thing. And while that's preheating, we're just going to do a little bit of olive oil in that. And then we're just going to coat the pan here. just to prevent sticking. We're just going to take our cooked lasagna noodles and just make a layer. Kind of overlap them a little bit. Then we're going to take 1 pound of our sliced mozzarella here, and we're going to just make a stack on top of that. Mozzarella. There, I corrected it. Are you happy?
The right way.
And again, just add another layer. Just like Mama used to make. Mamma mia. It's a spicy meatball.
You tried so hard and you failed.
What? It's me, pistachio.
It's a big.
Top layer, we're just going to add some Romano cheese to the top. Oh yeah, that's a mess for Bella to clean up.
With my mouth. I'm definitely eating that cheese off the counter. That cheese right there, all mine.
Then once you are done with your layers, your oven is preheated to 375. We're just going to cover our lasagna in tin foil, set it in there, and let's see. Once you put your lasagna in the oven, we're just going to set our time for 45 minutes. Almost. I'm getting good at that. Do you smell what Victor's cooking? That is lasagna. All in all, costs us $40. Quick, easy, feeds a lot of people. Don't forget to like and subscribe, support the channel, leave a comment on your favorite recipe below, and we'll see you in the next episode.